In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add combined candles in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look near the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually found in the main toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools, scripts, and custom studies live. When you click that button, a new window or panel will pop up over your chart. At the very top of that panel, you'll see a search box. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Move your mouse to the search box and click into it so your cursor is active there. Now, type in combined candles. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter the available indicators. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right tool appears. Within a second or two, you should see an indicator called Combined Candles show up in the results list. This is the indicator that will group candle data together and give you a different visual on price action. Once you see Combined Candles in the search results, hover over it and click on it once. As soon as you do that, TradingView will apply the indicator directly to your current chart. You should notice your candles updating visually, depending on how the script is designed, combining price action into a cleaner or more aggregated view. If the candles don't look quite right or you want to tweak how the combination works, look for the settings icon next to the indicator name in your chart's indicator list. Clicking that will open the settings panel where you can adjust inputs like the number of candles to combine or other customization options, depending on how the script was built. Take a moment to experiment with these settings until the chart looks the way you want. If you're not on TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more indicators, more charts per layout or additional features, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you the full Pro experience, so you can follow along with the tutorials like this without running into limitations.